Heading out of the office soon, maybe taking a day off. Let's get this sorted out.
We're going to do this right in the Outlook desktop app, and it's super easy.
First up, let's walk through the steps for all you Windows users out there.
Okay, so first, just open up Outlook, and then you're going to select the File tab.
From there, you'll click on Automatic Replies, which you might also see as Out of Office.
A new window will pop up. Just make sure you select the Send Automatic Replies option.
You'll want this to run only while you're away, so just pick a start and end time.
Time to write your message. Just type it right into this little text box here.
And that's pretty much it. Just hit OK, and your reply is now live and ready.
All right, Mac users, it's your turn. The process is just as simple. Don't worry.
So for Mac, you're going to open Outlook and then head right over to the Tools tab. From that drop-down menu, go ahead and click on the Out of Office option. You'll see a checkbox for Send Automatic Replies. Just go ahead and tick that on. Now you can write your reply and even set some rules, like for a specific time or audience.
And just like on Windows, click OK to save, and you are all set to go.
Okay, so once it's all set up, it's a really good idea to make sure it actually works.
And here's the easiest way to test it. Just send a quick email to yourself.
So what other quick Outlook tasks should we break down for you next? Let us know.